Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
May I know what's your name?
My name is Lee.
How old are you, me?
Uh,
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in New
Good. So let me ask you about holiday. Where did you go last holiday?
Last holiday, I went go to Nha Trang.
I went to Nha Trang.
I went to Nha Trang.
Okay, where did you go last holiday?
I was with my family.
One more time. Number one, where did you go last holiday?
Last holiday, I went to Nha Trang.
Who was with you?
I was with my family.
What did you do there?
I went to the beach.
What did you eat?
I ate seafood.
How was your holiday?
My holiday was happy.
Was fun, right? Okay. Where do you like to go on your next holiday?
I like to go to Nha Trang because I went to eat seafood and play visit badminton.
Okay, thank you, me.
Thank you, teacher.